Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will look at how you can make registry changes take effect immediately without a restart. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. If the registry change dealt with one particular application or program, open the Task Manager and click on the Details tab. Look for the process entry that was affected, right-click on it, and select End Process. Then, launch the application again and check to see if the modifications took effect. If your registry changes affected Windows 10 Shell UI or other visual modifications, go back to the Task Manager, find the Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and click Restart. Check and see if the changes are applied then. You can also just sign out of your user account and then sign back in. For more helpful hacks that make your Windows experience just a little bit better, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making your digital universe just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.